Colorful rain. What do we need? Let's get started. Fill the flask with water. Spray shaving foam over the top of the flask to form a layer above the water. Put 6 drops of blue color over the foam and wait for a while.
Whoa!
Did you see color drops start to fall through the foam and look like a rain?
Yay!
Scientific explanation. When the water droplets get too heavy in the cloud, the force of the gravity make the drops start falling like a rain.